Subik Sambalay, Mark Anthony Agban. In the red corner from MTFC, Peter Ten.
It's gonna be Peter Te of MTFC against Mark Anthony Agubay versus Ichigo Fitness Gym in Subic, Zambales.
Next round.
Blue corner goes in for those seamless combinations, ano? The red corner moves forward with hooks, body shots.
Again, the red corner, medyo deceiving siya. Akala mo hindi siya marunong mag-boxing, pero I seen this boy also play, and I think
Kaya nga siya nasa advanced division din, partner.
Sabihin, nagpa-progress siya.
Correct.
Tumama siya doon. Yan ang boxing. Talagang trading leather with each other.
And moving with target, very important to have a target in boxing, no? So these two boxers are certainly boxing with intention. They have a target in mind.
Grabe. Palitan na talaga ng suntok tong dalawang mga batang binatilyo na to.
Dynamic minute, no? First minute pa lang ng round 1. Ang dami na nating nakitang suntok, no?
Nice body combination by Te.
They're really using their time wisely. Pumapondo sa katawan. Good hook by the blue corner.
Nakita mo yung enthusiast nung corner nung
final 10 seconds. Napanganga na lang ako, partner, dun sa very, very animated yung mga fans natin dito, no, sa Elorde.
They're sticking around for some great old-fashioned amateur fights. Okay, seconds out, round number 2 of this
Of them have good timing.
lightweight affair.
Yeah, they time their hooks. It's just a matter of who lands the better punch first, ano? Good left by the blue corner. Good body shot. Pero itong si red corner is able to land also his hooks. Especially moving forward, using that forward aggression, partner. Kumbaga tinatanggal niya yung forma ng blue, no?
But yung blue did connect several decisive punches also.
Beautiful body shot by the blue corner.
Short body punches by both fighters.
Certainly, no? Good right.
Sa tingin ko, sino maunang bumigay dito?
Exactly. Itong red corner is already using his forward pressure, ano, talagang he's moving. He wants to move it to the center.
Usually pag gumanon yung fighters, ibig sabihin niya kaya niya yung suntok eh. Kasi
pinapa-forward
hindi naman magmamayabang yan dyan kung
uppercut by the blue corner. He moves Te to the corner 2, gets out. They're losing some of that snap from the first round, partner, ano? final 20 seconds of round 2. I hope they can recover in round 3 kasi yun na yung very important and crucial round for them.
Kanina pa rin nakakalusot yung body shots nung kulay blue.
And that left
Kulay blue.
and that left
Oh,
hook
that
also.
body really hurts, te.
Peter Te from MTFC. Ano kaya yung MTFC?
Mamaya natanong natin.
Oh, tanong natin.
Pero nakikita natin yung palitan talaga dito sa instant replay ng Elorde.
Second count.
Yan. Last and final round of this exciting Peter Te against Mark Anthony Agbay.
Coming up next, Morgan Sumpay versus Aaron Divisman. And standby, Julio Thompson, Richardson.
Oh, that body really hurts, Te.
Lauro versus Mulato.
Next after this will be Kumar and Time versus Molly Rodeo.
Good timing by the blue corner. And I like what he does, no? Pag nakatama siya sa katawan, he goes up to the head. Up to the head. Oh, good hook by the red corner. This is turning out to be one of the best fights today.
Jeremy Emmanuel Molato. And from the red
I lost for words, partner. Talagang palitan.
Exactly. Both of them are just slugging it out in the middle of the ring.
Lalo.
No running, just standing in front of each other.
Imagine, gaano karaming tinanggap ni Te na body shots dito sa
Exactly.
round number 3. And he is still standing.
Actually, yeah, presence of mind din yan, ano. Even when you're taking punches, it's important to remain active. Kung hindi, ititigil ni referee yung laban. So, good job for Te to continue with this offense, no? Oh, he was quite successful with that combination. Those shots connected
Napagod
for
na rin.
him.
Both of these fighters are really tired also.
At the end of the day kasi, sino unang mapapagod, hindi
Oo.
ba?
Mukhang wala. Barely 20 seconds from this fight.
What a fight! Peter Te of MTFC. Let's look at some of those significant moments in the previous round. Both of them are just giving it their all. Body shots, quality body shots by the blue corner. Te with that hook up top. I think mas maganda yung mga tama ni Te sa ulo, no? Ito namang si
Isang decision na to.
Followed by Joren Orida versus Aaron Ibanez Balino. Please get
Corner, Mark Anthony Agbay. Coming up next, Morgan Sumpay